There's a secret type of nerve pain that can spread down your back, down the side of your thigh, and even into your groin. And this is one of the most commonly missed sources of low back pain that your typical doctors aren't even checking for. My name is Dr. Grant Elliott, founder of RehabFix. We've helped thousands of people with low back pain, disc herniations, and sciatica fully recover through our one-on-one online coaching program. And in this episode, I'm going to show you a commonly missed source of lower back pain called cluneal nerve irritation, how to determine if you have it, and how to safely release this at home using a simple technique so the pain doesn't keep coming back. Most people with low back pain assume it's coming from a disc, a joint, or a muscle, but that's not always true. But there are cutaneous nerves that go through your skin called the cluneal nerves that branch from your spine where your lumbar spine meets your thoracic spine. And when these become tight or compressed, they can create pain around the top of your pelvis, around your lower back, and they can also branch to the side of your thigh or even your groin. And that's why this is so often misdiagnosed, because often providers are looking at where the pain is, must be where the problem is. And we've helped people with cluneal nerve irritation, also called Main syndrome, who were told that they had a hernia in their groin, and it was coming from their low back, that they had hip bursitis on the outside of their leg, but it was coming from their low back, or had SI joint dysfunction or sciatica in their glute, but it was coming from their lower back. So if you feel pain in any one of these regions that's most often irritated with standing for long periods or going into an anterior pelvic tilt, arching backwards or rocking your pelvis forwards, this is the most common type of presentation for this type of nerve issue. But this doesn't mean your back is broken or you have nerve damage or anything like that. There's a really simple technique to both diagnose it and fix it at the same time. Because these nerves are so superficial, we actually have the ability to decompress them with our hands. So here's what you need to do. First, stand up and lean back into extension or arch your pelvis and see if this reproduces your pain. If it does, now reach back with your hands, grab the skin on the outside of your spine where your lower back meets your mid back, pull the skin away, and now lean back again and see if that pain is reduced. If that pain is changed or improved, then you're likely dealing with cluneal nerve irritation. So just as this test reduced the pain, this treatment is the exact same. You're gonna pull the skin away from your lower back. You're gonna wiggle the skin around too, and then repetitively perform the previously aggravating movement, leaning back and forth into extension, or another motion. Do this multiple times, and we want to look for the pain reducing with every consecutive rep. What this does is as you pull the skin, it separates layers of the skin, layers of the fascia, layer of the tissues that gives these nerves more space to breathe. It's literally decompressing them and then helping them slide through the tissue to become mobilized and free, instead of forcing them to glide under pressure, which would be like foam rolling your lower back, getting a massage on your lower back. Those types of things can actually aggravate these issues. So all this is doing is it's removing the decompression and then allowing the movement to do the work. Hey, real quick, I know you're struggling with pain and obviously want to fix it. So if you just text me the word pain to 317-751-9509, I will send you my free back pain fix demo. Just text that number and you can fix your pain. Thank me later. Back to the show. Now that relief is great. You're going to be like, oh my gosh, that worked so fast. But the work is not done. It will come back if then we don't load the tissue around these nerves. We want long-term adaptive changes. So the work is not done. First, we'll start by activating the core and decompressing the lower back further by laying on your back, putting your arms straight in the air, lifting your legs high, and now pull your feet towards your hands slowly as to flex your lower back, activate your core, and now grab your feet and then slowly let go, return to the neutral position, and begin again. This is improving core stability in a very controlled way. And once again, it's flexing the lower back to allow decompression around where these nerves might be aggravated. Perform about 10 repetitions and do this in the morning and the evening. The last thing is you want to restore rotation through this exact segment. What you can do is lay on your side on the floor, bring the top knee up and on the floor, hold that knee down, and then rotate your body as far as you can the opposite way. You can even use a band to build resistance throughout this as well. And this is called the open book exercise. This is promoting rotation and improved joint mobility through that same segment where the low back meets the mid back, where these nerves exit. effect. This also helps load your tissue in a different direction to once again promote long-term adaptive changes. And these are things that you do after the skin pulling technique. Now, this technique can be extremely effective if cluneal nerve irritation or Main's syndrome is your actual condition. But remember, low back pain is not a one size fits all. If you also feel symptoms radiating further down your glute, or you have numbness or tingling, and there could be some sciatic nerve irritation too, or disc compression involved. There might be other components that need to be included in this plan, or you might need more steps than what we discussed today. So I don't want you in a state of guessing without a plan. I'd rather you have a structured long-term plan designed for you to ensure you get the outcome you're after. So if you'd like to remove the guesswork and dive deeper with me to get a structured plan to healing, just text me the word pain to 317-751-9509, and you can get a tailored step-by-step plan to permanently fix your back or sciatica issues following our centralization process. Do it right now so you don't miss this opportunity to finally fix your pain and live the life that you deserve. And after you text me, please like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram at RehabFix for more free daily videos and insights into my life on how me and our clients are achieving a bulletproof low back. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and I'll see some of you in our program real soon.